building.
For a closer look at finance, we're joined by Rod North, Executive Director at Bourse Communications. Rod, good morning.
Good morning.
So the stock market's having a nice healthy rally at the moment.
Yes, it's amazing what a month can actually do in investment markets, because the market's actually now at a 2-month high. So that takes the share market up for the month to 7.5%. Gold's up 8%, and the resource sector in the market's up 12%. So, and we got through that magic 5,000 again yesterday, although we dipped just below it on the close. So, I mean, all those things are pretty, sort of firm indications. Particularly, I think, given that now that the dollar's sort of stabilised a bit, and we had some news out of China about the fact that Chinese banks can actually, decide what sort of borrowing rates they can have to lenders, sort of help boost commodity prices a bit. So, sort of stealthily, we've seen commodity prices sort of move up a bit.
Now, all eyes are going to be on those very important inflation figures out tomorrow. They'll have consequences for the interest rate movements.
That's one of the things I think we've been waiting for really many weeks, the June quarter CPI. The expectation is that I think we'll see the inflation data sort of come in with a rise of about 0.4%, which will put the inflation rate in the lower sort of 2.4 level, which again, perhaps opens up some consideration for the Reserve Bank meeting next month, on that cash rate, where there's still about a 70% chance there could be a drop in the cash rate from 2.75 to 2.5%.
Now, we can't let you go without pointing out that you've clearly put on the right tie.
Yes, well, I thought
today,
Michael might appreciate that.
I don't know if the viewers at home can have a closer look at that, but we can see
the
crowns.
Crown heads of Europe.
There you go.
It's an important look. As long as it makes people happy, when people are happy, they buy things, they invest in shares, they do all those sorts of things. So we should see the FTSE go up.
So this is the royal baby bounce that
This is the bounce. We need a bounce. Good news is always wonderful in investment markets. People don't like uncertainty, and now that the baby's been born, it's a boy. That's great news.
Indeed.
Good to see you, Rod. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, let's go to